demonstrate having word mustache. So the purpose and the dedication of this is to minimize microorganisms, the personal factor, so the patient is comfortable and relaxed. First, read do the 12 sequence, the name of the patient, of course the request, the age and relation, and nutritional attainment, and
Rapay ngay ha.
so knock the door for courtesy. Good morning, sir. I am Marita Godhano. I am your caregiver for today. So until 8 p.m. in the evening. So may I know your name, sir? Secretly, check the risk tag of the patient. So check the vital sign. All is normal. And sir, I will leave you for a while for prepare all the materials that I need. So raise the side grills and lock, and go to the next station. Knock again for courtesy. Knock, sir, I'm back. So now I'm going to give you word mustache. So
Sige, juga batik yung kanya ron.
towel. Ma'am, ako nang ikaw ng bata.
Basa daw.
This area. Other towel.
Bernadette, also Bernadette.
That's
Nag-infant CPR na ka?
Yes.
Kumana?
Oh,
Nag-infant nagpan.
si ma'am.
Wala ba lagi na-check ka?
Ay, infant CPR, sir? Ay, wala pa.
cotton balls to avoid entering of the water. And this towel for avoid glaring of the eyes. Sir, allow me to put this towel to your eyes. So, oop. And sir, what do you prefer, sir? Lotion, powder, or
Asa si Maranara?
soap? She said, sir, lotion. So,
Sir, available si DC.
Asa ay nag-infant CPR.
so,
Ikaw daw.
Ikaw na sa mga tao na
start for the party's bird.
Say bird.
prepare na ka pila.
Oo.
Top the skin and shape, rinse. Top the skin, shape, and rinse. And top the skin, shape, and rinse. And the nearest bird. Top the skin, shape, and rinse. Top the skin, shape, and rinse. Top the skin, shape, and rinse. And the top the skin, shape, and rinse. Top the skin, shape, and rinse. And the chin. Top the skin, shape, and rinse. Top the skin, shape, and rinse. Top the skin, shape, and rinse.
Wala yung pangalan ni Mildred.
And top the skin, shape, and rinse. Top the skin, shape, and rinse. And put the lotion and hot dry. Get the hair. How's my shaving, sir?
Very good.
So, ating idol. So, ano to? Remove na ko. Gawin ko remove ang botelya.
Okay na.